Today's topic is to remove all the sublists outside the given specific range. We are going to solve this problem using the list comprehension. So let's get started. In the first, we are going to initialize our list and then the range. After that, in the list comprehension, what we're going to do is we are going to go through each and every sublist of the list and we are going to compare that if the minimum value of our sublist is greater than or equal to the minimum range which we have specified, and the maximum value of our sublist is less than or equal to the maximum range which we have specified. If that so both conditions are true, then we are going to store that sublist in our list number 2. As you can see it over here, we have taken the minimum range 11 and maximum which is 19. So of course the first and the second are not going to get included. Coming towards the third, it gets included because the minimum range is 11 and the minimum I of our sublist is also 11 and the maximum is 19, while the maximum number in our sublist which is 15, so which makes the condition true. And coming towards the fourth, the 16, which is the minimum of our sublist, is greater than the 11, but the maximum value of our sublist which is 20, and this makes the condition false. That's why it didn't get included in our list 2. So therefore we have only one sublist in our list number 2, which is 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 respectively.